Yan na ba yung ano? Naitanong na ba yan ngayong pala?
Nakasama ako sa ASAP. Yesterday, nakasama ako sa Tonight Boy Bunda. And meron pang maraming nakaschedule. Pero yun nga, I've got a couple of tweets sa tweets ko. Kasi sometimes, especially now, todo sa promotion. And I also love interacting with people in my social media. Tapos may mga nagtatanong lang and they're wondering, I think, my fans, my supporters, Sarah supporters and James supporters na bakit daw in a certain show ba't daw wala ako, ganito at ganyan. So nag-explain lang ako na parang sa totoo lang hindi ko alam eh. I wouldn't know how to answer you guys.
Showtime.
Yeah.
Nabasa ko nga yung mga tweets kasi sabi nila, bida ka rin sa movie, bakit daw yung dalawa lang?
So,
in-invite.
So yung, in respect to James's supporters and Sarah's supporters, ayoko naman, I was getting DMs din kasi ang dami, parang napupuno nga yung mailbox ko eh, na sabi ko, oh, ang daming wishing us good luck, congratulations, etc. Pero yun nga, 2 days, I think it was 2 days ago or a day ago, nagtataka nga sila bakit. So ako rin nagtataka, sabi ko, okay, hindi ko naman alam. So I just, in respect, I just answered na I really don't know.
Pero pag ganun, anong feeling na dating home studio mo tapos
Ano yan?
parang hindi masyadong welcome? Hindi masyadong welcome na.
Do you get hurt?
Feel mo ba yung ganun?
Hindi naman sa I don't feel welcome kasi nakapasok. I mean, I've done a couple of guestings, like I was in ASAP, Tonight Boy Bunda. I don't really feel that way. I think it's more of nireplyan ko lang talaga because I think they deserve an answer naman talaga. I don't think this is something na i-dead mo eh. Kasi I'm also wondering, so I'm sure I need to share it, diba? I can't just keep quiet. Like before kasi I usually just keep quiet eh. Pero I think in respect to all those who follow me and all those na gustong makaalam, hindi ko alam ba't wala ako doon.
Anong sabi ng Viva kung bakit hindi ka kasama doon?
Hindi ko pa natatanong. Maybe kasi 2 days ago pa lang, ngayon lang ako nakaapak. So maybe kailangan natin silang tanungin. Maybe iikot natin yung camera sa kanila.
So yun, may mga naka-schedule kang guesting pa?
Yes,
Tapos na yung iba?
Marami pa.
Kasi parang ina-assume nila na ban ka sa ABS.
Parang hindi. I mean, to be honest about, parang hindi naman. Hindi naman kasi
the fact na nakapag-guest.
Yeah, nakakapag-promote naman ako.
Mas maayos na ang paghiwalay.
It's just na that certain day, maybe they're just curious. Kasi I'm sure they want to make it work talaga and they're just curious on what happened.
Pero yun ba yung unang best na hindi ka nakasama sa pag-promote? Like,
May mga times
it's always been
hiwa-hiwalay din naman talaga.
Usually, kadalasan, may mga sarili din silang, I think, yes, I think for Showtime, I think for GGV sila rin. So, I don't know.
Ay, bakit ganyan? Bakit
Oo nga, hindi ko rin alam eh. I don't know. I wouldn't have anything to say about that.
Dapat yata nasa GGV ka.
Wala din siya.
Sabi na kanina.
Yeah. I think may nakita lang ako pictures. Actually, hindi ako masyado updated kasi nagte-training ako eh. But